I'm not ready, but bring it on. Let's do this. Either Scott, Jason, or Jeff. If they see this, one of these guys are gonna kill me. Strength training, aerobics, yoga, calisthenics, swimming. Whoa! Yeah. I'm dying. What is up, guys? My name is Todd Smith. I have a YouTube channel. You've probably seen it. I have really cool videos on there.
Future Todd, what's up, bro?
Day one, no isolation. My roommates are gone, and I'm having a good time by myself. I love challenges, and today I'm doing a challenge with Tommy Hilfiger. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. The lead singer for 21 Pilots, Tyler Joseph, he really inspired me with his style. I thought it was different. It seemed like he didn't care. Another style I really like, you see on Instagram, like the 90s celebs or like the 90s like movie stars. Those are really cool, but it always switches up, you know? You gotta keep it moving. My best friend, Scotty Sire, built a home gym right before quarantine happened. So I've just been going there. I've been saving money with no gym membership, and I've just been going to Scott's house, or I go on a lot of hikes. Well, I got my shoes right here, and I got my shorts. I keep them around my waist, and then I got my Tommy long sleeve / crew neck, and then the Tommy shirt, the Tommy workout shirt, which is very nice. Comfortable fitting, stretchy. So you can stretch this out and wipe your face if you need to, if you get sweat in your eyes. So I just started playing golf. Golf is extremely hard and frustrating and a fickle pitch, as some of my friends like to say. I'm like average at it. With the pitching wedge, you know, you want to keep that L right here, move your hips, and then come back and make an L, I think. I'll chip it, a flop shot. There, I'm Tiger Woods. Okay, I'm gonna open my Instagram right now and show you a photo. It's kind of funny, I think. This one right here, let's see. This is this photo is from David's vlog bit, where we saw a video on Facebook of this guy dancing around naked in front of a little ball, and he's just going back and forth. So this actually took like 2 to 3 hours. Any other hair colors? I would like to go blue. I've been thinking about re-dyeing my hair blonde because the roots are coming in pretty hot, or even just shaving my head. I have a few options. A crazy outfit that I wore for the video would be for Zayn Hijazi's 200th YouTube video. We got to dress up. I wore this big, dark reddish medieval jacket. I got to do my hair. I had a weird chain thing over my face. I put eyeliner on, and I thought that was probably one of the coolest costumes I've gotten to wear. I'm a big quote guy and like a big poem guy. I have a lot of quotes that I've written myself, and I've been living by this quote, ironically and seriously, for a long time. It's just keep on keeping on. I think that's a nice quote to live by. Just keep on chugging away and keep your head up. Now, I definitely recall that quote. There's been a couple times. Through a breakup like 10 years ago, I was all depressed and sad. I had to pull myself out of the gutter. And then another time was when I first moved to LA. I had no money, and I agreed to move into a house with my friends. And then at one point I was just down in the dumps. I wasn't doing anything. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I had no money. I had to pay rent. And then I was just crying to my mom. And then at one point I was just like, you gotta do something. Keep on keeping on. And then ever since then, I kind of like just kept slowly coming up and doing okay for myself. So that was definitely some hard, weird moments that I had to use that quote. I'm not the most morning person, but I know waking up early, I feel like it helps a person out throughout their day. I feel like if I sleep in, I just kind of waste my day and don't do anything. So when I wake up early, I work out. I'm motivated to get things done, work out, try to eat healthy, and stay active. I'm not ready, but bring it on. Let's do this. I would say early in the morning, definitely. I want to get it out of the way. I actually hate working out. I don't like it, so I just want to get it out of the way. It's probably Scott Sire, or Jason Nash, or Jeff Whittick. I don't know. Either Scott, Jason, or Jeff. Because if they see this, one of these guys they're gonna kill me. Oh. Actually, probably either Natalina or something to dance to. Probably, I want to say short so I can show off my legs, but they're mostly loose and breathable. Nothing too tight to keep me restrained. You know, I want to feel loose, like I can take off whenever I want. This outfit actually shows off my legs kind of nicely. Ooh, he could be inspired by like the old James Bond movies or British punk rock bands or even the Beatles. I'm gonna say album covers. Yeah. Oh shit. Flower crowns. No, I was just throwing it. I thought if it was that, it'd be pretty cool. Okay, strength training. Core strength. All of the above. That's what I put on my SATs for every answer. I'm just kidding. I didn't take the SATs. 5 countries sport. Am I going now? Okay. England, United States, Ireland, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Okay, wait, don't let me put that. Drink coffee, do push-ups, play piano, play Fortnite, and do jumping jacks in your house. Read. Yeah, and read. What do I? Strength training, aerobics, yoga, calisthenics, swimming. Whoa! Yeah, boxing. Okay, that's it.
Congratulations, Toddy. You have been matched with me, Belle, to do a upper body and core sculpt workout here in the People's Place gym.
Oh shit.
Are you ready to get started?
Okay, nice.
Woo!
Shoulders.
Big circles, those arms. Get through out. Woo!
Down.
One leg. Step out. Pull in. Opposite elbow. Come on, let's go. Like 2 and 1.
I'm dying. I don't ever want to do that workout again. No, I'm just kidding. That was a really good workout. I feel alive. I feel like I have endorphins running through my blood. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to take care of yourself. Exercise, read and write really helps the brain. Thank you, Tommy Hilfiger, and thank you, People's Place Gym. If you want to do the same exercise as me, check them out in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite quote in the comments that gets you through the day, week, or year. Okay, Todd bless.